For businesses outgrowing their current accounting software or seeking a solution with different features, the question of data migration often arises. If you're currently using QuickBooks and considering a move to Sage, a crucial aspect to understand is whether you can actually convert your existing data. The short answer is yes, it is generally possible to convert data from QuickBooks to Sage, but the process involves careful planning and execution. Think of it like moving your entire office to a new building. You can certainly transport all your files, furniture, and equipment, but the efficiency and success of the move depend heavily on how well you organize and manage the transition. Similarly, converting accounting data requires a structured approach to ensure accuracy and minimize disruption to your business operations. The need to switch from QuickBooks to Sage can stem from various reasons. Perhaps your business has grown in complexity, requiring more advanced features that Sage offers, such as robust inventory management, sophisticated reporting capabilities, or industry-specific modules. Alternatively, you might be seeking better integration with other business systems or a different level of customer support. Whatever the motivation, the ability to bring your historical financial data along is a significant consideration. The conversion process isn't always a straightforward, one-click operation. The intricacies lie in the differences in data structures and functionalities between the two software platforms. QuickBooks and Sage, while both serving accounting needs, organize and store data in distinct ways. This means a direct, automated transfer might not capture all the nuances of your QuickBooks data accurately. Typically, the conversion involves several key steps. 1. Data assessment and preparation in QuickBooks. Before initiating any transfer, a thorough assessment of your QuickBooks data is crucial. This involves identifying the types of data you need to migrate, such as customer and vendor lists, chart of accounts, invoices, bills, payment records, and transaction history. It's also an opportune time to clean up your QuickBooks data, removing any inconsistencies, errors, or outdated information. This spring cleaning will ensure that you're migrating a clean and accurate dataset to Sage. 2. Choosing the right conversion method. Several methods can be employed for the conversion, each with its own advantages and considerations. Manual data entry. For businesses with a relatively small amount of data or a need to selectively migrate specific information, manual data entry into Sage is an option. However, this method is time-consuming and prone to human error, making it less suitable for most businesses with a significant transaction history. Exporting and importing data files. Both QuickBooks and Sage allow for the export and import of certain data types in formats like CSV, comma-separated values. This method can be useful for transferring lists, customers, vendors, items, and some basic transaction data. However, the mapping of fields between the two systems needs careful attention to ensure data is correctly interpreted in Sage. Utilizing third-party conversion tools. Several specialized third-party tools are designed to facilitate the conversion of data between different accounting software platforms, including QuickBooks and Sage. These tools often offer a more automated and comprehensive approach, handling the complexities of data mapping and transformation. Researching and selecting a reputable tool with positive reviews and specific support for QuickBooks to Sage conversion is essential. Engaging professional data migration services. For complex conversions or when accuracy and minimal disruption are paramount, engaging professional data migration services is highly recommended. These experts have the experience and tools to handle the intricacies of the conversion process, ensuring a smoother and more reliable transition. They can also provide valuable guidance on data mapping and validation. 3. Data mapping and transformation. This is a critical step in the conversion process. It involves aligning the data fields in QuickBooks with their corresponding fields in Sage. Due to the differences in how the two systems organize information, some fields might not have a direct equivalent, requiring careful mapping decisions to ensure data integrity. For example, custom fields in QuickBooks might need to be mapped to appropriate fields or custom fields created in Sage. 4. Data import into Sage. Once the data has been prepared and mapped, the import process into Sage can begin. The specific steps will vary depending on the chosen conversion method. It's crucial to follow the instructions provided by Sage or the third-party tool carefully.